So let's see here. Pastime baseball. Which inner? Which inner should we start with on Pastime baseball? Which inner? Pastime baseball. Left side or right side? Pastime baseball. Left or right? Knucklehead, I will. Any thoughts? Left or right? Any thoughts for which 3 boxes should we do? Left or right? The left. We'll start with the left. Value. Got which 3 should we do? Top, bottom, odd, or even? Top, bottom, odd, or even? Top, bottom, odd, or even? Any thoughts? Top 3, bottom 3, odds, or evens? Any thoughts? Otherwise, I'll just pick the top. There we go. So 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. So we've done 2 full cases of Pastime. We've both gotten Reggie Jackson autos. Hopefully today is not the same. That's been our big hits, or the according to Panini, the case hit. The case hit. We've gotten 2 Reggie Jacksons. Those have been our both on-card autos in 2 cases. Oh, didn't cut all the way. Pastime baseball, guys. Good luck. Redemption. Got going to the Yanks of Reggie Jackson, 125. Speaking of Reggie Jackson, 125 for the Yanks base. Got a base going to the A's, Yoenis Cespedes. Yoenis Cespedes for the A's, 125. Got a barnstorming brilliance out of 10. Got a Roy Campanella. Going to go to whichever team he played the longest for. Roy Campanella out of 10. Numbered 7 to 10. Roy Campanella, 7 to 10. Got a rookie, 125, Michael Tonkin, Minnesota Twins. Michael Tonkin, Minnesota Twins. Then we got probably a randomizer out of 125 between the Twins and the Mets, Johan Santana. Twins, Mets, 125, Johan Santana. Some more penny sleeves. We'll double check, see who's got the Yankees, see who's got the Mets, see who's got the Twins, and we'll randomize that one afterwards. Got a rookie out of 25, Cardinals, David Freese. St. Louis Cardinals out of 25, David Freese. Out of 25, David Freese. Got a redemption for an inked, card 18, New York Mets, Matt Harvey. Card 18, New York Mets. Matt Harvey, card 18. Got a Oakland A. Auto out of 10, numbered 6 of 10. Got Josh Donaldson. Oakland A's out of 10. Josh Donaldson. Got out of 125, going to the Astros. A bat card, 125. Craig Biggio. For the Astros, 125. Got a Chicago Cubby, I believe, out of 125. Someone can correct me. David Kingman, 125. David Kingman, 125. And your book card is going to go to the Colorado Rockies out of 49. You've got Willen Rosario, Josh Rutledge. with a pinstripe, Josh Rutledge, base jersey out of 49 for the Rocks. Willen Rosario, Josh Rutledge. Box number 2. It's it is definitely it's hit or miss. It is hit or miss. So we ended up we ordered 3 cases of it. This is the last one that we've got. This is the last one that we've got. Our big hits have been let's see here. What have our big hits been? Our 2 case hits have been the Reggie Jacksons. Got 125 David Wright. There is a box in every one. 125 David Wright for the Mets. Got 125 Warren Spahn. 125. Got a 1/1 Al Kaline base. It's not too bad. 1/1 Al Kaline base. I think we've gotten a couple Machado autos. Got a couple of Wade Boggs, Don Mattingly autographed books. Al Kaline, Detroit Tigers, 1/1. Not a bad 1/1 base. Got Brewers, Hiram Burkus. Brewers, 125. Hiram Burkus. Brewers, 125. Got a pinstriped jersey at a 125. Pinstriped jersey, 125. Twins, Aaron Hicks. Aaron Hicks. Minnesota Twins. Got a USA jersey, 125. Preston Morrison. Preston Morrison, 125. USA jersey. Got another one we might have to randomize. Between the Braves and the Mets. Tommy Glavine, 125. Tom Glavine. Tom Glavine, 125. Mets, Braves. Tom Glavine. Got out of 125, going to Phillies. 125 for the Phillies of Larry Boa. Larry Boa for the Phillies, 125. Larry Boa. This one's not too bad. Out of 75, St. Louis Cardinals. Out of 75, St. Louis Cardinals, Bob Gibson. Bob Gibson, 75, St. Louis Cardinals. And got out of 75, going to Cubbies. Back-to-back Hall of Famers. Got Fergie Jenkins. I think Fergie Jenkins is in the Hall of Fame, isn't he? Out of 75, Fergie Jenkins. And this one is numbered out of 99, Hitters Inc. Got Rockies again, back-to-back Rocky books. Andres Galarraga, Vinny Castillo. Andres Galarraga, Vinny Castillo, back-to-back Colorado Rocky books. So the Rockies might not have that much stuff in here, but they sure got a lot of books in here. Vinny Castillo, Andres Galarraga. They don't have a whole lot of stuff in here, but they you have the Mets and the Cards. The Rockies don't have much stuff in here, but they got probably, what, 25% of the books. Pastime Baseball, box number 3. Got let's see here, Cleveland Indians 125, Yan Gomes. Yan Gomes. Got a Chicago White Sox 125, Tom Seaver. Tom Seaver for the White Sox. Right behind it, at a 25, Tom Seaver for the White Sox. Got a Brewers Tigers 125, Prince Fielder. The 3 randoms we might have to do. Prince Fielder. Milwaukee Brewers, Detroit Tigers. 125. Got a base of, let's see here, Rod Carew. Rod Carew, Minnesota Twins, it says on the back. Rod Carew, 125, Minnesota Twins. You are correct. You are correct. Got 125. Ryan Burr. Ryan Burr. Ryan Burr. How much did you go through? Or did you go through that much of this? 125. Got out of 25 going to the Braves. 25 for the Braves. Chipper Jones. Chipper Jones for the Braves. Out of 25. Back card. Got out of 125. Oakland A's. Yeah, we got 3 cases of it, and that's the only 3 cases of it we got. Got out of 125. Josh Donaldson. Josh Donaldson. Josh Donaldson. Got out of 10. Oh, we got a decent Yankee auto after this. Got out of 10. Adam Jones, Orioles. Adam Jones, Baltimore Orioles. Adam Jones. This one is numbered 1 of 10. 1 of 10. Adam Jones. And this one's numbered 3 of 15. 3 of 15. Going to the Yankees. Bernie Williams. Bernie Williams, 3 of 15. Bernie Williams for the Yanks, 3 of 15. Bernie Williams, 3 of 15 for the Yanks. Bernie Williams. And your booklet card is numbered out of 99. Superstar Scripts. Some hometown guys. There we go. Brett Saberhagen and Frank White. Brett Saberhagen and Frank White. Cannot go wrong with finishing up with some Kansas City Royal stuff. Brett Saberhagen and Frank White. That one is numbered out of 99. Out of 99. Finishing our Pastime baseball.